This is Sonia McCutcheon's family's mobile home. She says the water here was so deep it nearly covered the entire play set, and it came up the stairs here and filled just below the address, and everything inside this family's home is gone.
And I feel helpless. I have no words to explain to my kids what is happening.
Inside Sonia McCutcheon's home, the damage is devastating.
We have nothing. No toys, barely any clothes. Our dressers are gone. Our beds are gone.
Their belongings are scattered, soaked, and the home is filled with the overwhelming smell of mildew.
If you walk over the board, you'll be okay.
Their floor is caved in.
The water probably come up to like right about here.
And the amount of water that filled Sonia's family's home can be seen in this photo taken in her neighborhood after the recent rains. She says her family was given a voucher for a hotel, but the woman she would normally go to for help,
the bedroom got water, the bathroom,
is in the same situation. Sonia's mother lives across the street and her home flooded as well.
26 years gone.
Her walls are buckled and she too is unable to go back home. And both women tell me they have no idea what's next for their family.
My kids literally have only one pair of shoes though. I just constantly bawl my eyes out. I just keep asking why.
Sonia tells me her family needs to replace everything, and she says their voucher for the hotel runs out on Sunday. So if you'd like to help, there's a link to their GoFundMe account on WTAE.com.